Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Pearfect Martini. Absolutely delicious. All we need is 40 minutes to make it. It's a crisp, light and refreshing cocktail. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need pear vodka, ginger liqueur, honey syrup and fresh lemon juice. We're gonna start by chilling our glass. Ice in the mixing glass. 2 ounces of pear vodka. Half ounce of ginger liqueur. Half ounce of honey syrup. And 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. We're ready to shake it. And we're gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, this is good. It's crisp, refreshing, and really light. I can definitely taste some pear notes and a hint of ginger. This is really nice. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. And that's how you make the Pearfect Martini. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!